everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Christina and today is my first update for my Partners in Cream Project Pan. So this Project Pan is a huge collab amongst a lot of people on YouTube and on Instagram. It was started by Steph and DaLin at Outward Processing, who I will have linked down below in the description. We did this project last year and we are doing it again this year, and I really like this. So basically what this is a project where we focus on cream products, as the name suggests, and we can do 3 to 6 products. It is rolling and we are also allowed to do a quarterly refresh in case some things aren't working. You can have various goals, whether to hit pan on items or to finish items or whatever you would like. And I am doing 3 items. And my goal for all 3 of these right now is to finish them, and so far I think we're doing pretty okay. So now, without further ado, let's just hop into my update. So like I said, I only have 3 items in mind, so mine will be a very quick update. First item that I want to talk about is a foundation. This is the CYO Long Lasting Foundation, the Lifeproof Foundation. As you can see, it has moved a little bit. This is an airless pump, so the progress does go up, and it has moved not too much. I did use this 15 times, but I was never doing a full pump for this. I haven't been wearing as much foundation, and in fact, in my last video, I was wearing no foundation. So I just feel like my skin is at a really good place right now. It feels really nice not to have anything on my skin. I am wearing this foundation today, however. I do think it looks really nice. I think it just is a beautiful foundation. I'm gonna be very sad when it's gone, but this was discontinued, which is why I'm focusing on it. It's always the good ones that get discontinued. But I think for 15 uses and like 15 not full pumps, pretty good. So probably like 7 full pumps altogether, about half of that. And it moved just a little bit. So it's gonna take me a while. This is definitely going to be at least 6 months, I think, maybe. After 1 month it moved that much, yeah, at least 6 months, and I'll probably have to start using full pumps at some point just to get a little bit more use out of it, but I feel okay about the progress so far. Next item is a highlight. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Highlight in the color Pearl. If we take this off, it already had pan in it, and I don't really think it looks too much different, if I'm being honest, because it's kind of hard to tell. It moves around a lot in the pan, so I don't want to say, oh, I've reached the second ring yet, because it's really hard to tell. I ended up using this 9 times, which I think is pretty good. I like this under foundation a lot. I think it gives the overall face a nice glow when I do it that way, but I have put it on top of foundation as well. I typically use a sponge with this and just kind of pat it into my skin. It's really pretty, really natural looking when it's done that way. So I am enjoying this. I am ready to get this out though, because I just don't use as much highlight. Well, I am now because I'm trying to get through highlight, but like highlight's not really something I feel like I need in my life as much anymore. So I'm just trying to work through some of those, and I will be very excited when that guy is out of here. And then third and final product that I am going to be talking about today is my cream blush. This is the Gorgeous Cosmetics cream blush in the color Peaches and Cream, and there is more noticeable pan now. Technically it already had pan in my intro, but it was really hard to see. But now that I've used it a good bit more, it is much easier to see the pan in there, and so that makes me very excited. I could, of course, just flatten this back out and you would never know that there's pan in there, because cream products are so deceiving when it comes to like this. I used this 13 times. I feel like it's pretty good for a cream blush in me. Like 13 times in a month is a good bit, and it has good progress. So I'm hoping if I can do another 13 next month, we can see a huge pan. But for now, I feel really good about where we're at. I think overall the weights have probably moved a good bit. I really like the fact that I added weighing things in last year, because it really does show that even if you don't see much progress visibly, it does still move, which is always encouraging. So I feel really good about that. I think that will also take me a long time. These are all, I only have 3 products in this project right now, and I feel like while it's a small amount, these are all longer term products. So I'm really glad I did it that way. It will just be easier to focus on like these 3 things, really hard focus, and see how long it takes for us to get these out of here. I am definitely enjoying this project again this year. Thank you to Steph and DaLin for again creating this and inviting us all to do this again. If you enjoyed this video, definitely make sure to hit that like button down below. Also make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. I do a ton of project panning, so if you like that, I have plenty for you, so definitely hit that button. And remember guys, there is always magic to be found, and I hope that means I see all of you guys in my next video. Bye!
Alright, ooh baby, just hold tight. We're up in the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light.